hot pan. That's one of the tricks, is a hot pan for fajitas. Then add the meat.
Sliced meat. Awesome.
Lightly season the meat.
I feel like you don't have to put too much either because there's so much flavor in the salsa.
That's true.
My grandpa always said, not too much salt, it hardens your arteries. It's true. Okay, we'll let it sizzle up. That is a fun sound.
I think our friends are gonna like these tonight.
Better than the time we made them eat the vegan fajitas. Totally tricked them.
Oh my god.
About time.
I think so.
So good, I think I'm pouring the whole thing.
Just dump it. And that is my favorite about this, is you're not using all the seasonings. All the flavor is coming from the salsa. What's the name of it on the inside of the lid?
Wow. Well, these are called fast fajitas.
Maybe we should rename them to fun fajitas.
I'm having fun.
Okay.
Great to use for cooking. You're right. Simmer down now. Simmer down now.
Let me know when I should add these. These need to cook up too. We'll just add these. Which my favorite, they always say eat the rainbow. And I love the colors in this.
Beautiful.
Makes me happy.
Makes me extra happy too.
Okay. And a little bit
More onion. Well, the flavor's already there even still, but I do love it.
Okay, you think that's good?
Yeah, let me stir it up a bit. Get all the flavors and all the bites.
Hey, get out of here. I'll let you do
Looks
that.
great. It smells delicious too. This is actually, that consistency on the salsa, I genuinely love it. It's perfect. Great job, Bobby. It's Bobby-licious.
Alrighty, it looks like they're ready. And my favorite thing about fajitas is it serves a large party very easily. So you can all sit down and enjoy each other's company. Just like this. Alrighty, you ready?
Yeah, I've been ready all day for this.
Alrighty.
Give me this. Is that cheese ready over there?
It's ready.
Starving.
Alright.
Yes.
That looks good. You know, my mom's trick is actually to add the cheese to the bottom and then the hot meat on top so it melts faster.
Thanks for telling me that now. Yes. Haha, mine now.
How is it? How is it?
Perfectly hot and delicious.
Salsa Sister approved.